this is Liz. Welcome to Fabric Friday. I'm getting ready to do some more quilting on this quilt. I have been quilting everything from what I'm classing as the bark of it, which is the drunken skulls, and this I'm now going to quilt some feathers up it, and this is what I'm classing as the front, which is the chain tigers. But I still have to more or less base my quilts the same as when I was doing them on my domestic machine, because this frame is only like 5 foot long, and I've got my Unique 15R with it. And this is a rookie mistake. I hadn't noticed that my batting wadding that fitted at the top end didn't quite fit at the bottom end. As you can see, there's a little diagonal bit missing. So I've been taking it off and on to do different things, and I don't want to do that in this heat. So I'm just going to baste stitch that down. So I'll just tie it up and I'll show you. So I have my machine set on basting stitch, and you can see the pins I have here holding my back to the leather cloth. Now I obviously don't want to sew through them, but I just want to attach some more wadding batting, just slightly, doesn't have to be much. So I'll take it to there, and for each stitch I'll keep feeling to make sure whether I have got the pin out of the way. Drop my needle, pull up bottom stitch, couple of locking stitches, although I think I haven't moved it far enough. That's it. Nearly did that type of thing again. So I want to avoid my pins, so I'm all right starting here. I've got my bottom thread, because it's just basting it in place, because once I've quilted it all, the quilting stitches will hold it in place. For some reason it's not coming through, so let's do that again. Check that there's no pin in the way and I'm not stitching it to my leader cloth. Drop my needle, pull it back up, bring up the bottom thread, a couple of locking stitches in that space, and now just baste it. that is my rookie mistake. It doesn't matter that it's not all the way to the edge because I will be trimming it down once it's all quilty. It now means that I can actually get on to quilting it. Rookie mistake sorted out.